First of all, Happy New Year 2020. This is 2K20 or you can say 2020. Yes, may this new year bring you a lot of happiness to your life. So, and this is a new video with a setup tour of my room in which I will shoot in 2020 all the videos and related to this. And so first of all, I am going to show you the setup. So hope you like it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and may this video bring you some ideas according to you if you are starting a career on YouTube or being a YouTube creator. I have experienced something. So please watch the video till end. Hope you get some ideas. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Technocratics. So first of all, I am going to show you my room. So let's begin with it. So Jai Shri Ganesh. So we will start the new year with the Ganesh Ji, as we all Hindus worship Ganesh Ji before starting a new year or something, doing new things. So in the frame you can see a picture of Ganesh Ji in the lotus flower, and I have put RGB lighting on it. And this is RGB 3528. You can buy it. I will give the link in description. And all the things you see here, it's also having a remote. With this you can change colors, and this is the connection I have done by myself. And this is the RGB 5050, and it's awesome for YouTubers. All the YouTubers use it in PCs and around PCs, desktop monitors, but I have used it in my wall decor. And this is my clock, and this is something wires and pipe fittings for AC which I have left. And I am use cooler for this purpose. And let me turn off the lights and show you how the lights are looking now. And this is my RGB room, as you can see in the video. So it's, I think, looking awesome. Tell me in the comments how it is looking to you guys. And it's fully clear. I am loving this slide frame in the Ganesh Ji, and this is the RGB lighting. So hope you like it. Then tell me in comment section how can I improve it or how it was. And this is something, let me show you full. And these are my desktops. We will discuss it. So as you can see, this is my first PC, and this was my first gift from my dad. He gifted in 2011. I knew it when I was in 7th class, and I am using it now with Windows 8 today. It has Intel Core i3 second generation processor, and it has become too old, but gift is gift. I have kept it seriously. And something, this is my Sony TV, and I have connected this laptop to this laptop, as I do not like, let me show you, as I do not like the colors and screen of this laptop. So I have connected this, and I have played a lot of FIFA 14 game in this, and I am a FIFA lover, I told you, and just I play FIFA all the day. I can play FIFA all the day, as you can see. And this is a Compal gamepad. You can see. Let me show you. This is a Compal gamepad and Compal keyboard. HMPL. It's a ordinary keyboard, not a mechanical keyboard, soft touch with you can see. And the gamepad is quite nice. It has several functions like right stick, left stick, these buttons, and some more buttons at the top. And easy to play FIFA and other games also, like Ace Combat. I'm showing you. Focus. Ace Combat. And this is my gaming PC, as you can see the headphones. This is my gaming PC, which is also gifted my last photo. it now as a primary PC for video editing. And this is a headphone. It's a common headphone which we use in day-to-day life. This is not a gaming one. Gaming one are very costly nowadays, and I used to chat with friends and listen to music free times. And this is my primary PC now. It is powered by the Intel Core i5 9th generation processor. Let me show you the properties of this laptop. I have already here are the properties on the screen. You can see it is a very nice PC. It's a gaming PC under a budget range of 68,000. I purchased on student's offer, and it is powered by GTX 1050 Ti, which is a good gaming graphics card, I think. And that's all. My setup is normal setup. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like my channel, Technocratics. Hope this 2020 brings bring you a new life, new year, and all the very best for your new year. Thank you. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button and please subscribe the Technocratics. And this is the request. Please tell me in the comments how the setup and studio was. This is not my studio. This is my hall. So basically, I record all the videos here.